Hey everyone, it's Tracy here with another 6x6 scrapping on a 12x12 layout. Today I'm going to be working with the American Crafts Shoreline collection. I have the 6x6 paper pad along with the 12x12 Pebble Beach paper that you see there. That is going to be my background. So I'm just cutting the strip of paper off the bottom. And then I'm going to be using, this is from Ranger, it's the acrylic paint. You could use any white paint. I'm just putting a little bit in a bowl and then adding some water to it. And I'm just going to mix it up so that it's a little runny in consistency, just thinner than it normally is. And then I'm just painting it on to the background. It doesn't have to be neat or anything, it's just kind of like, it's another mat for my pictures instead of using paper. Alright, so I got that whole thing done and it's all completely dried. So I'm just going to go through my 6x6 pad and pick out the papers that I want to use. That is a sailboat paper. The white and blue striped one is from that paper pad, but it's just a scrap that I had. And that one is some bright red with bikes on it, and then a blue one with all of the colors together. And this is just a picture of the lake and the bridge in Michigan, so that's what the layout is about. So I'm just going to use that one and kind of build up my mats for the photo. And I just cut them in different sizes. As you can see, the red one with the bikes doesn't go all the way around, as well as the blue one with the stripes. I'm just kind of playing around to see where I want them and how they would look best. And then I'm going to end up adhering them down, but I'm also going to look at my embellishments to see what matches. I'm just going to use a piece of washi tape to kind of adhere them together so that they're in the right spots. Otherwise, they will move when I pick it up to glue it down. Just kind of an easy way to do it. And then I'm just going to use that same, it's a orange and white striped washi tape. I'm just going to put those in various spots. And then I also have, that's a yellow polka dot washi tape from Doodlebug Design. Alright, and then those are from Little Yellow Bicycle. I don't actually use any on the layout, but I thought about it. Those are orange and white polka dot thickers. They're adorable. And I'm just going to spell out bridge. And usually I'll line my letters up off from the layout, but since I'm putting them all right on the edge of that paper, it's easier to just do it right on the layout. And then I'm going to go through my little alphabet stickers to try to find ones that would match. Because I'm going to be spelling out the, so that the title of my layout is The Bridge. And I chose the background is cream and the letters are black. They're from Authentique. And then I'm going to add some wood veneer arrows from Studio Calico and attach those with my Tombow Mono Multi Glue. Alright, and then I do end up using one of those canvas pieces from Little Yellow Bicycle. It's just a long strip with a scalloped bottom. And then I'm going to take my Zig two-way glue pen, marker, my black marker, and outline the edge of the whole layout. And it just kind of frames your layout and makes it look more complete. And I'm actually going to go around one more time with it so that there's 2 lines on each side. And you definitely do not want them to be straight or look perfect. That's kind of the whole look, is to make it look like it's hand drawn. And then I have those wood pieces from My Mind's Eye that I'm going to be putting on a little later. First, I am adding the wood mistable stickers from Studio Calico. They're the clouds, and I'm going to be using 3 of them. The nice things about those are that they're canvas. I think I might have said that they were wood, but they're canvas, so you can use your Mr. Hueys on them, or any spray mist like Tattered Angels or Dilutions to color them, or you can leave them blank. And I've also used my Distress inks and a water brush to paint over them. And then on the left side I added a white mini bag. It's not a glassine bag, it's actually paper, and that's where I'm going to be doing my journaling. And that's when I added the My Mind's Eye wood button. And I'm just going to use my Zig pen again to write the journaling on that white paper bag, which is from Canvas Core. And then I'm going to get my Smash date stamp and my Tuxedo Black Memento ink. And I'm going to use the stamp that says Happy Place. And I'm just going to put ink on it once and then stamp it 3 times so that it gets lighter each time I stamp it. And then I'm just going to finish off my layout by adding some My Mind's Eye enamel dots, and I'm just going to add them in 3 places so that it creates that triangle so that your eye is focused on the photo and the journaling. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.